Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the phone so the new control center works smoothly. Make sure MIUI is updated to the latest version for compatibility. This prevents layout bugs. Next, open Settings, go to Display, and enable the control center toggle so the new interface replaces the old shade. Once done, place your thumb at the top right and swipe down firmly to open it. This gesture is required because the system differentiates left and right swipes for notifications versus toggles. Now you'll customize the layout so your most used controls are front and center. Tap the edit or pencil icon, then drag toggles into the main grid. Put Wi-Fi, mobile data, and flashlight where your thumb rests for speed. Use half-row or one-row options to keep the panel compact when needed, and long press any tile to bind a shortcut or jump into a settings page. This saves time because accessing deep settings from the control center removes extra taps and context switching. Finish by mastering the advanced features and knowing one key fix. Swipe horizontally within the control center to reveal media controls and the smart home panel. This lets you manage playback and devices without leaving your app. Adjust volume, brightness, and media with the split sliders for precision. If a toggle or panel disappears, make sure Control Center is enabled, then reboot the phone. If that fails, reset Control Center settings in Display Options. This resolves most layout or permission glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.